Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? Good. Alright, on this video today I'm going to show you how to replace the airbag, the roof airbag and the driver's seat airbag on this 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. So I got the airbags on eBay. So as you can see, I bought it from Copart, and already it came with a deployed airbag on the driver's seat. And then as you can see, the driver roof airbag too is deployed. So basically it's very simple process. We have to bring down the roof liner. So anything that's holding the roof liner, like the sun visor, and then the clips like these guys need to be removed all around. And I don't need to remove the whole thing because as you can see, the passenger side airbag is fine. So yeah, and then the handrail need to be this handheld thing. You see there's screws there that need to be removed, and hopefully we'll get to it quickly. All right, let's keep watching. All right, so the sun visor is removed. So you just remove these two bolts, and then there's clips here. Just push these clips, they will come out. This one, there's no screw here, so you have to put a pry thing and pry it out. You know, the clip is inside here on both sides, so just push into the prior and then just will come out. All right guys, so I forgot a few things to let you know. You have to remove this panel here on the front by the window, and then this one by the right by the where the seatbelt is. You have to remove that. Make sure you disconnect your negative battery terminal and wait about 10 minutes before you start working on this airbag system. Yeah, so and then just to replace the driver's side airbag, roof curtain airbag, you don't need to drop the whole roof liner. You can just pry it down a little bit carefully, and then as long as you have access to the bolts that's holding the airbag, you don't need to drop the whole roof liner down. So you don't need to work anything on the removing this light, removing this sun visor, and then on this side, on the passenger side, you don't need to do anything. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we have to remove this rubber thing, and then we can have access to this where the seatbelt is. Yeah, let's do that. All right guys, so this is how the airbag looks like. So there are one where you get the bolts, and another one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's see, 6, 7, there's 8. So 8 of them. So basically now you have to remove. Already removed like half of it. As you can see, I didn't even drop the headliner all the way, still intact, but just squeezing my hand. So yeah, I just go through all removing those, and then just remember how it was plugged, and then just squeeze everything back, the new one, and then tighten all those 8 screws, and then put the fender liner in. Actually, I didn't even need to remove this with the seatbelt is, this panel. I didn't remove these. I don't need to remove these rubbers, so it's working out so far. I just removed this panel, which is right here. Yeah, so I'll let you know. All right guys, this is the end product. Everything tucked in. Look at it, super nice. So yep, that's how you do it. Very simple. Just follow these steps. You don't need to remove this. You just can make it, as long as it falls down a little bit. And now, yeah. Oh, a few things remaining is putting these clips back. Yeah, that's basically it. Looks very good. Hope this helps. And next is I'm gonna do the driver's seat. The driver's seat, as you can see, airbag is deployed. So I'll make another video on that. All right, guys, you can do it. Ciao.